Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Dhananjay Sir Naik, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are going to study of the subject Introduction to Civil Engineering, and the topic is environment. Environment can be defined as sum total of all the living and non-living elements and their effects which influences human life. And the topic which we are going to cover today is water supply and sanitary systems, urban air, pollution management, solid waste management, identification of landfill sites, urban flood control. Water supply. Water supply system infrastructure for the collection, transmission, treatment and the storage and distribution of water for homes, commercial establishments, industry and irrigation, as well as for such public needs as firefighting or street flushing. Of all municipal services, provisions of the potable water is perhaps the most vital. People depend on the water for drinking, cooking, washing, carrying away wastes, and other domestic needs. Water supply systems must also meet the requirements for public, commercial, and industrial activities. In all cases, the water must fulfill both quality and quantity requirements. In addition, the quantity of the supply of water quality is also of concern. Even the Asians had an appreciation for the importance of water purity. Writings of early 2000 BC tell us the purify sour water of boiling and filtering. But it was not until the middle of 19th century of the direct link between polluted water and diseases like cholera was proved, and it was some of the end of same century the German bacteriologist Robert Koch proved that the germ theory of disease, establishing a scientific basis of the treatment and sanitation of drinking water. Next is sanitary systems. It is the most important of this. The sanitation system in India has undergone significant changes and improvements, and the government through the various initiatives and the campaigns has been working towards enhancing the sanitation infrastructure, promoting hygiene practices and addressing challenges related to open defecation and waste management. So the sanitation system plays a vital role in the safeguarding public health and the environment by managing used water. These systems composes the various types of one-site solutions like twin pits and the septic tanks of centralized sewer networks leading the treatment facilities. And the pollution management, this is the management strategies like to regulate, setting the imposing standards, introducing the measure for extracting the pollutant from waste. So it's the main control measure of the pollution is that the environmental engineering, any as a variety of means employed to the limit damage done to the environment by the discharge of harmful substances and energies. Specific means of the pollution can control might include refuse disposable systems such as sanitary landfills, emission control and system for automobiles also. And the sedimentation tanks in the Svce systems or electrostatic precipitation or the impurities for industrial gases or the practice of recycling. So for full treatment of the major areas of the pollution control, the waste management or the waste water treatment, solid waste management and hazardous waste management would be the most controllable for the pollution management. Next is solid waste management. Solid waste management. The collecting, treating and the disposing of the solid waste materials that is discarded because it is served with the purpose or is no longer useful. Improper disposal of municipal solid waste that creates an unsanitary conditions. So that's the main reasons why the sanitary conditions are more required to control and the control that does not turn to lead to a pollution of environment. And thus outbreaks, the vector-borne diseases, that is diseases spread by rodents and insects. The task of the solid waste management, technical issues and the complications, they also pose a wide variety of administrative, economic and solution problems that must be changed and solved. So solid waste management is the prevention, reduce, reuse, energy recovery and disposal. Identification of landfill sites. Exponential increases in the pollution in the resulting urbanization has brought to the need to develop environmentally sustainable and landfill constituents. One of the primary methods, like which is the municipal solid waste disposal, appropriate selection and the landfill site is very important in order to minimize this. So the negative impact to the public health, it's the overall sustainability and the landfill at the that and meet the appropriate landfill siting criteria. So it is located near a artery road, resident area, airport and water surface. So this might cause the serious health and environment hazards. So moreover, it is very rapidly filling up with Objectives that are GIS and the multi-criteria method is finding suitable landfill sites of the solid waste disposal in the study area and evaluate the most purpose landfill. So several factors are considered in the siting process of including soil, land use, residential, urban area, tourist area, and road important and water body. So the last topic is urban flood control. Floods as a result of the both meteorological and hydrological fact. Frequency and intensity storms as associated with the groundwater levels extend to the impervious surface. So when the combined with the anthropogenic factors in the urban centers, the events and inundations of the anthropogenic factors leads to changes explanation of floodplains by the construction and similar activities, poor soil waste management and destruction of the drainage complicate the system. According to NDMA, urban flooding is the significant difference of rural flooding, and urbanization leads to developed catchments. So which is increases the flood peaks from 1.8 to 8 times and the flood volumes by up to the 6 times. So as a result, flooding occurs very quickly due to the faster flow items or the times in a matter of minutes. So urban areas are densely populated and thus the economic impact and higher than the floods in the rural areas are very more. So I conclude this by saying that you have to maintain all the topics which have been discussed about the environment. So thank you.